Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Isa pa yung may kasama palakpak. Tandaran. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Ayan, nasan yung isang candle, kuya? Isa ba? Tandaran. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So, Kuya Ariel and Kuya Justin, at the count of three, please blow your candle. But, make a wish first, okay? Okay, silent. 1, 2, and 3, blow. Palapalan natin! Siyempre, yung birthday party ng dalawa hindi makukumpleto without the birthday wish of mommy and daddy. So, sa mami muna, mami. Message for your son. Ayaw.
Sige na, Mama.
Go, mami!